Rumors are starting to heat up once more that a Canon EOS R featuring an APS-C sensor will be released, with a reported launch window of the second half of 2021. Ever since the launch of the original Canon EOS R back in 2018, there was chatter that an APS-C version would eventually see the light of day. And while that talk gave way to hype about the Canon EOS R5 and Canon EOS R6, the focus has returned to an APS-C model now that both full-frame cameras have launched. At this stage, the rumor mill only alludes to the camera's existence. It is too early for any speculation on specifications. However, the limited information available suggests that this will be a higher-tier product rather than a low-spec system. I was told that it was not going to be an entry-level product, but a higher-margin camera built around speed and a smaller footprint than the EOS R5 and EOS R6, says the report on Canon Rumors. The APS-C RF mount camera was initially slated to be announced in early 2021, but has been pushed back to the second half of 2021. What we appear to be looking at, then, is a different tack to the one Nikon took with the Nikon Z50, its own APS-C mirrorless camera that was geared towards lower-end use. Rather, Canon seems to want to squeeze the power of its full-frame cameras into a smaller form factor. So where, then, does this leave Canon's existing APS-C mirrorless system? The company enjoys massive sales success with cameras like the Canon EOS M50, and we've literally just seen purported specs leaked for the new M-series flagship, the Canon EOS M7. Could it be that what has been reported as the M7, with its 32MP sensor, 4K 60 fps, 1080p 120 fps, IBIS, dual SD card slots and clog, isn't actually an EOS M body at all, but is actually the new EOS R camera that features an APS-C sensor?